Hey, I'm Court McCutcheon. I'm the principal at Texas Select Insurance Group here in San Angelo, Texas. I want to talk about something most business owners don't think about until they've already had a bad experience. Why an independent insurance agent actually matters. I spent about 18 years on the captive side of the insurance world. I've also been on the independent side. I have seen both. And once you understand the difference, it's hard to unsee it. In this video, I want to break down what captive agents are and what online insurance really gives you and what independent agents actually do differently, because most people don't realize who's working for who. So what people think agents do. Most people think insurance agents all do the same thing. You call someone, they get you a policy and a story. But there are very different kinds of agents, and that difference matters a lot once your business gets even a little bit complicated. So not all agents have the same tools, the same flexibility, or the same incentives. So let's talk about captive agents first. So a captive agent is one who works for one insurance company. They have one product set, one group of policy forms, and one underwriting appetite. So sometimes that works great, but when the business doesn't fit perfectly, you start forcing square pegs into round holes, and we see this all the time. I've lived this for years as a captive agent myself. If the carrier didn't like your industry, your location, or your loss history, there wasn't much I could do. The answer was usually no, or here's the only option. It's not bad intent, it's just limited options, right? So what about online insurance? Can I go to one of these online carriers and get it there, right? Well, online insurance, it's super convenient. I'll give you that. You can get a quote at midnight in your PJs, right? But what you don't get is guidance. There's no one asking the right questions. There's no one explaining exclusions. And there's no one advocating for you when something goes wrong. So you're buying blind. That might be fine for very simple risks. It's super dangerous for a real business. So what do independent agents do differently? Independent agents work with multiple carriers. That means multiple. Like we worked with multiple policy forms, coverage options, underwriting appetites. Our job is to match your specific business to the market that fits it best. We're not trying to sell you a product. We're trying to solve a problem for you. So when we look at it, that flexibility changes the whole game. Understanding market cycles. Insurance markets move in cycles. Soft market means lots of competition. Prices come down. Options increase. Hard market means fewer carriers want the risk. Prices go up. Options disappear. We just came out of one of the hardest markets that I've seen in over 20 years. Right now, the market is starting to soften again. New carriers are re-entering Texas. Competition is back. So that matters a lot. Right now, the market is starting to soften again. New carriers are re-entering Texas. Competition is coming back. That matters, folks. And independent agents are the ones who see that shift first. So what's behind the curtain? Here's the part that most people never see. Not all carriers behave the same when it's time to pay a claim. Some are fair, some are slow. Some fight every little thing. We know that because we live in the claim world, not just the quoting world. So that knowledge doesn't show up on a quote sheet or online, but it matters more than the premium number. So why does Texas Select exist? Texas Select Insurance Group exists because we wanted to take the handcuffs off. We wanted to educate and not push products. We wanted options, not templates. We wanted to focus on value, not just price. Insurance shouldn't feel mysterious. It should feel understandable. So if you're looking for an insurance agent, find someone you trust first and foremost. It doesn't have to be us, but it should be someone who explains things, asks great questions, and works for you. If you want help navigating that, we're happy to do it. Drop a question in the comments or reach out to us directly. That's what we're here for.